Here we are, 1016 Crestover Road, and this is something special. So you're gonna see a little bit of the backyard in the drone footage, but much better, sense of how big that is when we actually walk the yard later on in this video. And that's for North Wilmington, it is a massive backyard. So wanted to get right in and do some flying because you can see right there, Brandywine High School. So within walking distance, legitimately 2 streets over, you have the ball fields and the track. So that is, just considering you already have a big backyard, that is an added bonus. So take that in there too. And by the way, Crestview Pool is also within walking distance. So you can see that. I'm gonna splice in the map momentarily, but this is an ideal location, in my personal opinion, in North Wilmington. Just everything is walking distance. So we're gonna fly up here. You're gonna see Grayling Crest and take it in, because if I go to the left, I'll be right at the house. And that should show it right there. You see the pool and the ball field. So here we are showing off that roof. You get a sneak peek of that backyard. I call it a backyard oasis because it is. And, just a lot of work has been done to this house, which means you can just move in and essentially unpack, which in this crazy market is a very, very nice feeling. So here we are just showing you again, always nice to see how close you are to the river. We're gonna bring you down right in front, get a view of that addition off the back, which I'm calling a second family room that has the fireplace. And that's basically it. We're gonna fly right in, basically right to the front door, and then we're gonna get you started on the boots on the ground tour. So here we go. All right, here is the boots on the ground tour of 1016 Crestover, and this one is something special. So take that in, nice walkway to the front door. We're gonna stay outside right now and show you this backyard, and then loop you around and get you in the front door, just so you see absolutely everything. So there you are. Just obviously that has been converted. I'll show you that in the inside. So no garage here, but we'll take you around. You got your gas meter right there. And without further ado, here's this backyard oasis. So nice shot of that. Big family room off the back. We'll be inside to show you more details. But check this out, gigantic patio. Look at that. So also too, you can come down from there, but this is really your basement, but your ground level. So that's where the game room is, the 4th bedroom, the laundry room, and a bathroom. So you come right out there, and look at this backyard. So fully fenced in here in North Wilmington, and look at that. So I call them dueling sheds. That one right there to the left is a good size. That one's even bigger. Looking to get creative and have a home office outside, not a bad idea, because I would think about that these days. So there we are. We'll just rotate around slowly, take that in. There you go. So that is the backyard. I'm gonna do a full 360 here, so we leave no stone unturned, especially in this competitive market. So double gates here. Someone wants to come in and they don't want to cut their own grass, but they use a 0 turn or something big, you can get in. There's the AC. It's a carrier unit. And let's just go right around. So here you go. Perfect day, not too sunny. And there you are, right back to the front door. So in we go. You have the foyer. We're gonna have a coat closet right to the right. And fireplace number 1. Look at that. So you do have some crown molding here, freshly painted in some areas. Bring into here and rotate. So take that in. This is a big, big room. So remember, coat closet behind there, just so you're fully informed. Dining room here with a skylight. Get a little shot of that for some daylight. And just gonna peek in the kitchen because we're gonna wrap around. There's the kitchen, updated. There we are. And the family room. So this to me is the real treat. You buy a house without this, in this market, good luck pricing it out. The cost of lumber
and contractors availability these days, but this room is fantastic. So we have the 3D tour too, you can explore it. And just so you piece everything together, you walk right out this door and there you are in that backyard oasis. So nice flow in general. Remember, there is a bathroom right in there. I'll show you so you can piece it together. And there we go. So look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of windows here. You see that backyard. So let's hop in the kitchen this way. Back you up. Nice little peek through here. So you can see what's going on in that family room. And the kitchen, by the way, I think last time I was here, you have cabinets under here as well. So really a good amount of cabinet space and an updated kitchen. And those cabinets are 42 inches. They go all the way up. So let me bring you here. So there is the upstairs. Here is a pocket door. So really cool. I have not pulled this yet. There you go, pocket door. Who knows what's hiding behind there? But let's go up. The way we have this structured, you have 3 bedrooms up here, 1 potential bedroom downstairs. So it is a 4-bedroom and 2.5 baths. So clean bathroom here, just so you can see the layout. You got a newer window there. Here is, look at that, linen closet. Back you around so you can get it. So we're gonna say bedroom 1, 2, and 3. Bedroom 3, and also as you can tell, hardwood floors throughout. Nice closet here. Just gonna give you a little poke. The hardwood floors, I should say a little peek. The hardwood floors really shine through. And in most of these split level homes, you got a nice little nook here. So I'm not gonna open that, but that is additional storage. That being said, we do have a pull down right here for more storage. Let me take you into bedroom number 2. Get the size. So windows in the corner here. I'll spin you around slowly. And there you are. So plenty of different ways to orientate this room and set it up. But here is your primary. So that is a king bed. Gives you an essence or a sense of what space you have on this side with the door open and a night table there. Here you are. We have these windows. Just get some more light in here for you so you can see. Good closet. Closet hiding behind that door as well. And you have a bathroom. So no sharing the upstairs bathroom here. Walk-in shower. There you are. So again, giving you the full tour here to hopefully save you time and expedite the decision process. Nicely organized. And that is the upstairs. So we did the entire upstairs. Remember, 3 bedrooms up here, 2 bathrooms. Level 1. Just give you a quick little look. Help piece it all together one more time in your head. So family room back there, wrap around the kitchen. And from the kitchen steps down here, we go to, I'm gonna call it the finished basement, but it's really ground level, so it's not a basement. This is if you were to drive in, you know, ground level. So plenty of room for a combination table, I'll say there. Great spot for a nook, for an office, 2 big windows. And this is where you can get a little creative. You got exercise room, you got 4th bedroom potential, you got office. I mean, whatever you want to do with it, here you go. So high enough ceilings. I'm standing on my tippy toes, I'm 5'10", and a good sized room. So updated flooring in here, even under that mat. There you go. So we'll spin around slowly to the right. We have our main mechanicals here, the hot water heater and the heater. So you can see. And as I mentioned outside, here's the bathroom. So a half bathroom here. And you walk right out that back door and you're ground level for all that backyard offers. So spin you back in. Here's the laundry room. The panel's right there. I'll bring you all the way back here because it is a lot of storage. Plenty of room for a freezer here. So that is the layout. So really, split levels are deceiving. They don't seem that big on the outside in my personal opinion, but they pack quite a punch. So there's that space. And if I left this unlocked, that would be perfect. There you are. I'll leave you right here. And then we're going to splice in some additional drone footage of the neighborhood and around. And there you go.